This next position will be at the wall. This will be another way that we're going to start to slowly load our hamstring into a stretch position. I'm going to take my hands onto the wall. I'm going to step my feet back away. Now, as I'm in this position, I'm going to start off by making sure that my back is not dipped down, so I have a little bit of tension in my stomach and my body is nice and straight. If this bothers your wrists at all, you can bring your hands up a little higher. But I want to have my hands really in a straight line, so this is parallel to the floor. And I'm going to start off here by bringing my knee up towards my chest. As I do that, this heel that's on the ground, I'm going to squeeze my butt on that side. It looks like I'm trying to push this wall over. And then I'm going to slowly start to take this foot down towards the floor. It'll skim over top of the floor, and as it kicks back, I'm going to let my head go down. So once again, I keep my body in a pretty straight line. So this leg that I'm standing on, I'm now starting to load this left leg into a stretch of my hamstring, and then I'll come back out of there, squeezing my butt of that stance leg and bringing my knee back up. So just to show you from the other leg, I step my feet back a considerable distance where I maybe feel like I'm around a calf stretch in my heel. I'll bring my knee up towards my chest, then this foot on the ground, I'm going to push that heel into the floor like I'm trying to push this wall over. Slowly this leg will kick back, and as it does, and it goes in the air, my head will follow it going down. And now my right leg is going into a little bit of a stretch, and as soon as I feel the beginning of tension, I'm going to get back out of there, squeeze my butt on that right leg as I come back up. If I don't feel a stretch, I can bring this leg closer to the wall. So now, after I come here, as I start to dip down, I can let my elbows bend a little bit. Now I'll feel more of a stretch in my hamstring. Very important not to overstretch. That's commonly what people will do, and they'll get pain. So as I do this, as I lower into this motion slowly, as soon as I feel the very beginning of tension, right there, that's enough. Okay? Don't feel like you have to push into a deep stretch, because that a lot of times will create more pain than needs to happen.